In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Outlook. This is a handy way to streamline your communication efforts by grouping together multiple contacts under one single name. Whether you're coordinating with a team, managing a project, or just trying to simplify your email outreach, a distribution list can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to open Outlook. Once you've got it up and running, direct your attention to the icons at your bottom left corner. There you'll find an icon labeled either People or Contacts, depending on your version of Outlook. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your Contacts area, which is where you can manage, organize, and add new contacts and groups. Next, you'll want to create a new contact group. To do this, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see the option for New Contact Group. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new group. Choose something descriptive and easy to identify, such as Marketing Team. This name will be what you type in when sending emails to this group, so make sure it's something that will make sense to you in the future. Now that you've named your group, it's time to add some members. Click on Add Members, and you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose from your existing Outlook contacts, pull contacts from the address book, or add a completely new email contact. Depending on where you have the email addresses stored, choose the most appropriate option for your needs. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and browse through your contacts to find and select the ones you want to include in your new group. After you have highlighted all the contacts you wish to add, simply click OK. Now with your contacts selected and added, it's important to finalize and save your new group. Look for the Save and Close button, typically found at the top left corner of your screen, and click it. This action saves the group and closes the current window. And just like that, your distribution list is now ready for use. The next time you need to email everyone in, say your marketing team, you'll simply type in the name of your group in the recipient field, and Outlook will automatically fill in the email addresses for you. This will save you the hassle of entering each address individually and ensures you never miss someone out by mistake. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you become more efficient with your email communications. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Outlook effectively.